Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error message. Operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software. Open Windows Security by typing it into the search bar and clicking on it. This is where your system's antivirus settings are managed. Once you're in Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Once you're in the Virus and Threat Protection settings, scroll down a little until you see an option labeled Allowed Threats. This is usually the second option in this section. Click on it to proceed. Next, click on Protection History. Here you will see a list of recent actions that were performed by your antivirus. Look for the specific action related to the file or software you're trying to install. When you find it, select it by clicking on the file. After selecting the file, you will see the Action button. Look for the option to allow the file or software. Click on Turn On to add the file to the exceptions list. This step ensures the antivirus does not block the file again. Once you have allowed the file, go back to the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Scroll down a bit more and locate the Manage Settings option under Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it to open more advanced settings. In the Manage Settings menu, you will see an option for Real-Time Protection. This is typically turned on by default. Click on the toggle switch to turn it off temporarily. You will also see options for Automatic Sample Submission and Tamper Protection. Turn these settings off as well. Turning off these settings will allow you to install the software without interruptions. Now that these settings are adjusted, try installing the software again. The installation should proceed without any issues. Once the installation is complete, remember to go back and re-enable the settings you turned off earlier. This will ensure your computer remains protected against future threats. And that's it. Thank you for watching.